Dreaming of a roof that stands the test of time? Tile roofs offer unmatched durability. Tiles are incredibly resistant to fire, hail, and even strong winds, ensuring long-lasting protection. Plus, they require minimal maintenance, saving you time and money in the long run. Tile roofs can significantly increase your home's resale value. Who wouldn't want that? Their classic beauty elevates any home's aesthetic appeal, making it stand out. With a variety of styles and colors, tiles complement any architectural design. First, ensure the roof deck is clean, dry, and structurally sound. This is vital. Install underlayment to protect against moisture. Prevention is key to longevity. Next, carefully place the tiles, starting from the bottom and working your way up. Overlap each tile properly to ensure a watertight seal. Precision matters here. Secure tiles with nails or screws as needed. Safety first, always. Finally, inspect your work, ensuring everything is aligned and secure. Enjoy your new roof.